Hi friends, welcome to Spec Snacks, your gadget and technical service review platform. If you are a fashion photographer, then you would know the importance of an external light. In fashion photography, I think after camera, the most important gadget is a good quality light. Without a good quality light, photography is not possible. You cannot sustain fashion photography without a good quality light system. So today we are going to review a external light system, that is Godox AD400 Pro. Yes, this is a light system. This comes with a battery power. That means you can use this light anywhere in the field, outdoor or indoor. Today we will do the unboxing and a quick review of Godox AD400. You can see I have the Godox AD400 light system with me. This is a revolutionary light system which helps the fashion photographers to shoot outdoor for a good amount of time. This light system sustains for more than about 350 shots. It has the capability of shooting at high speed sync or the HSS mode. The basic specification of this light system is it is capable of shooting 380 shots at a single go. It has TTL. It is capable of high speed sync. Also, this light system has a 30-watt focus lamp. You need not to worry with which camera you are using, that is a Nikon camera or a Canon camera or a Sony camera or any other system. This light is compatible with all the major brands of camera. So let us go ahead and do the unboxing of Godox AD400 Pro. So this is the light system. This comes with a very beautiful bag. It comes with a very beautiful carry case. This is the strap to carry the bag. This is the product information guide. This is the warranty card. Okay, so Godox gives 2 years of warranty for this light system. And the user manual. The English language is there, so it is very helpful, and it is always recommended to go through this user manual before using this light system, because this is a very complex light system. So I'll keep this things aside and see what is there inside the box. This is the light. As you can see, there is a cap. This comes with a Godox reflector. This is already attached with the light system. You can detach this easily with the help of unlevering this screw or unlevering this point. This is the LED lamp. This is a 30-watt LED lamp. This is the bulb. So we have to attach this bulb in the light system. Let us see what else is there inside the box. As you can see, this is the Godox to Bowen mounts modifier. Most of the soft boxes available for Godox is Bowen's mount. You should, those who are buying Godox light system, they should always buy Bowen's mount modifiers or the soft boxes. There is also a modifier available to convert a Bowen's mount to a Elinchrom mount. I will show that modifier also. This is the Bowen's mount, and with this mount I also screws. So this is with the help of this screw I have to mount this Bowen mount on the light system. That I will show you in the video in the later part. Apart from the light, the Bowen's mount modifier, you also get the charger system. This is the charger and the wire to charge the battery, and this is the battery. This is WB400P model battery. This is the battery which is used with this light system. With the help of this battery, you can shoot approximately 380 shots. So keeping aside all the things, let us see what we have received in the box. So this is all the items that I have received in the package of Godox AD400 Pro. This is the main light system. Along with the light system, a reflector, a Godox mount reflector is attached with it. This is the battery. This is the Godox to Bowens mount converter. This is the bulb. This is the actual bulb. This is the wire for charger wire. This is the charger and few screw system. This helps to mount the Bowens mount in the light. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can produce more good videos for you in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.